You seriously need to stop making these life-killing mistakes. You always wait for the right time to start, whether it's a business, a fitness journey, or fixing bad habits. Here's the truth, the right time never comes. If you don't take action today, you are teaching your brain that waiting is okay, and 1 year from now, you'll still be stuck. Success isn't about big, dramatic actions. It's about what you do daily. Most people quit after a few weeks because they don't see instant results. But the ones who win, they are the ones who show up even when they don't feel like it. Small wins stack, and over time, they change everything. Over planning or doing 100 small tasks that don't matter is a disguised laziness. Real progress comes from uncomfortable action. Ask yourself, if I repeated today's actions for the next year, would I be where I want to be? If not, change something. Worrying about what others think or obsessing over the past, these are mental black holes. Every second you waste on them is energy stolen from things that actually move your life forward. Focus only on what you can control, your actions, your mindset, and your growth. Your environment is either pushing you forward or pulling you down. If you are surrounded by negativity, excuses, or people who drain your energy, it's like trying to run with a 50-pound weight on your back. Cut the dead weight and watch how fast your life changes. Subscribe for more real, non-biased self-improvement.